In today's video, we're going to show you how to change your region on Netflix. If you want to access content available in different countries or are traveling and need to update your location, this video is for you. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Netflix website. Make sure you're logged in into your Netflix account. Before diving into changing your region, it's important to know that Netflix content library varies by country due to licensing agreements. Changing your region allows you to access the content available in different countries, but it's not officially supported by Netflix. To change your Netflix region, you need to use a VPN service, a VPN or virtual private network. First, choose a VPN service provider. There are many options available such as NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or Surfshark. Go to the website of your chosen VPN provider and sign up for a subscription. After subscribing, download and install the VPN application on your device. Once installed, open the VPN app and log in with your credentials. Select the country you want to switch your Netflix region to from the list of available servers. Connect to a server in the desired country. The VPN will assign you an IP address from that country, making it appear as though you're browsing from there. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Netflix region using a VPN. Remember to keep the VPN connected while streaming to maintain access to desired content.